Welcome to the project of hand gesture control wireless robots. So here we are going to control this robot from the gestures given from the hand. We are going to mount this whole system on a hand. So from there, by tilting the hand in forward direction, the robot will move in forward direction. Same way, backward, left, right directions will be controlled based on the signals from the section. So let us see the hardware description. So we are going to provide the total power supply to the system through the battery. So we are using 12 volt 1 amp battery. So it's a battery pack consists of 3 batteries. So each battery 4 volt 1 amp. So these 3 are connected in series. So we'll get the 12 volts totally, and that was given to the L293D motor driver. So from here we are going to distribute the 5 volts power supply to this motherboard, and the motherboard will get the input signals from the RF receiver. So we are using 433 MHz RF receiver, and there's a decoding IC. So the decoded information will be fed to the PIC microcontroller, and based on the signal received from this decoder IC, we are going to control the robot in 4 directions along with the stop. L293D is a H-bridge motor driver which can control the 2 DC motors simultaneously based on the signals from the PIC microcontroller. And coming to this connection, C0 to C3 connected to the L293D, and B0 to B4 connected to decoding IC. And coming to this is charging circuit to charge a battery, as we are using a rechargeable battery. So just connect the 230 volts power supply to this transformer and connect that in T section. So whenever we connect the power supply to this transformer, so the green light will indicate. So the battery will get charged in 6 hours of charging time. So after that, you can remove the plug. And coming to this transmitter section, so we interface the MEMS accelerometer. So 3-axis accelerometer sensor interfaces to the comparator ICs. These comparator ICs will decode that information, and the particular direction will be indicated through LEDs, and the same signal given to the RF transmitter through the encoder IC. So here we are using HT12E encoder IC. It will encode the information from the comparators and given through the 433 MHz of transmitter. Same information will receive at the receiving end. So to run the kits, we need to on this and give the power supply to the receiver section. So let us see the demonstration. So now please give the connections and settings. So this is the main on-off switch, and we connect the battery at the transmitter section. So in this manner we can control the robots in 4 directions. So for every operation we can observe the LED indications on the both transmitter as well as the receiving end also. So observe the 4 LEDs indicated, right, coming to the receiving also. Stop. Thank you for watching demo.